Hold it, fellas. That don't move me. Let's get real going for a change.
It's time to get real gone on the Rockabilly and Blues Radio Hour. Here's your host, James Riley.
This is Jam and James Riley on your favorite hour for great music and interviews. It's the Rockabilly and Blues Radio Hour. Now, this hour, we talk with Switchblade 3 lead singer and bassist Brad Heyman.
That 20 Flight Rock, man, I was like, oh, man, I really dig that. So this is when I started looking into other stuff.
Much more coming up in just a bit. Also, we hear tunes from Dr. Bon Tempe, Snake Oil Company, Wifey and the Husband, rockers from Dion, Alton and Jimmy, Big Sandy and his Fly Right Boys, and more. Now, let's kick it off with a lady known for being a key member of J.D. Wilkes and the Dirt Daubers. This is her debut project called Lone Wolf that features, among others, Eddie Angel on guitar and drummer Jason Smay. It's Jessica Lee Wilkes with her new single Grooves Too Shallow on the Rockabilly and Blues Radio Hour.
You know your groove's too shallow and you ain't got the beat. Skip the needle every time we meet. You keep on spinning, got me going around, cause your groove's too shallow. The babe I got, you know he spins so smooth. And when you play it, make me start to move. Spin so deep like you never could, cause your groove's too shallow. Oh, now when that record scratch, I know it's never gonna last, cause your groove's too shallow. When it drops, I can plainly see. Spin 45 when I'm on 33. You keep on spinning, got me going around, cause your groove's too shallow. Oh, now when that record scratch, I know it's never gonna last, cause your groove's too shallow. You know your groove's too shallow. Yeah, your groove's too shallow. Your groove's too shallow. You know your groove's too shallow. Ah! Now when they make the scratch, I know it's never gonna last, cause your groove's too shallow. Your groove's too shallow and you ain't got the beat. Skip the needle every time we meet. You keep on spinning, got me going around, cause your groove's too shallow. Well, now when they make the scratch, I know it's never gonna last, cause your groove's too shallow. I said when they make the scratch, I know it's never gonna last, cause your groove's too shallow.
Hi, this is Big Sandy of Big Sandy and his Fly Right Boys, and you're listening to the Rockabilly and Blues Radio Hour with Jam and James Riley.
People are talking all over town, let them talk. Your friends keep knocking him down, that's alright, let them knock. He may be a wild one, but he's so sweet to you, they just don't understand. You love that man. Rumors are spreading like wildfire, that's okay. Someone said he's a liar, ignore the words they say.
From the album Turntable Matinee, that's Big Sandy and his Fly Right Boys with Love That Man. Hey, Viva Las Vegas 19 is April the 14th through the 17th, 2016. VivaLasVegas.net will have all of the info of all of the artists coming. In fact, we know of one. The king of the surf guitar, Dick Dale, will be there. That's Viva Las Vegas 19 at VivaLasVegas.net. They also have merchandise at RockingMerch.com, t-shirts, CDs, DVDs, so much more. You can also find the Rockabilly and Blues Radio Hour t-shirts there, logo designed by one Vince Ray. Now let's get back into the music. Coming up in just a moment, Dr. Bontempi's Snake Oil Company with, get this, a cover of The Doors, Riders on the Storm, and done in a Johnny Cash kind of style. But first, a duo that recorded for Sun Records. It's Alton and Jimmy with their 1959 Sun classic, No More Crying the Blues.
There'll be no more crying the blues. Well, you said goodbye, made me cry a long time ago. You opened my wounded pill, how good I feel since I found your love not real. There'll be no more walking the floor. I know that you, but there'll be no more crying the blues. Riders on the storm,
riders on the storm, riders on the storm. Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on the storm, riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. Frame is screaming like a toad. Take long holiday. Let your children play. If you give a man the right, sweet memories will die. Killer on the road. Killer on the road. gotta love your man. Girl, you gotta love your man. Take him by the hand, make him understand. The world on you depend, Our life will never end. Gotta love your man. Riders on the storm. 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 Riders on the storm.
So you weren't able to make it out to your favorite festival this year.
Or you forgot to buy your favorite band's t-shirt in concert.
Or you just can't get enough of cool merchandise from the Rockabilly scene. Rockin Merch is the place for you. The official online store for Viva Las Vegas Rockabilly Weekend, as well as pomade, CDs, records, DVDs, and other merchandise from some of your favorite Rockabilly artists. Find them online at rockinmerch.com. It's your one-stop shop for all your Rockabilly needs. Hey, this is Jammin' James Riley, and our guest in a moment is Brad Heyman from Switchblade 3, featuring Brad on vocals and bass, Itaro Sacco on guitar, and Bernie Dressel on drums. From their album Triple Homicidio, it's Slow Down.